Won't work out of one listening once. You have to hear again and again and again. Listen again and again. You eat how many times? Every day eating. Morning, night, evening, afternoon. Then same day repeat. Next day we also eat again and again. You have to eat again and again. This is the rule. Like to fulfill body needs, you have to eat again and again. So there is one more body inside this body. What is that? Tell me. There is a called the body of the soul, Atma. It's there or not? Where is it? In this body. Where is it? We don't know. We don't know. The Sant Mahatmas are here to answer this question. They will tell you, true or not. His heartbeat is working or not? Put your hand on your chest and see your heart is beating or not. It is beating like this. It's not working. If your heart will not work, you will die. Who is making this hand work? God is making this work. As per modern science, they are putting like a machine, like a person who is about to die. They are on the ventilator, which is like making an organ by a machine. Forcefully, they are pumping the blood in the body via machinery. But some people they live and some they die. But in reality, who is making this hard work? Ramchandra ki. People say God does not exist. Then how is your heart working? Tell. There is someone who is making this work. Like in your house, who is working in your house? Like this fan is working. The electricity. This electricity is coming from powerhouse. It is connected. In the same way, our body there is a soul. Because of that, the body is working. And when the soul leaves the body, then what happens? It does not work. You cannot see. That's why it is called try to see it. One who is controlling this body. Like in house, how many controllers is there? Only one. Only one supreme. That is Krishna. So worship to him. Chant his holy names. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Very nice. Big round of applause for him.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.
A big round of applause for him.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.
A big round of applause for everyone.
Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.
इसलिए भगवान के नाम लेना चाहिए.
Chant holy names. Simran means remember to the holy names.
होटल में ठहरे हुए हैं
In hotel we are staying.
नाम क्या है?
That hotel is Simran.
सिमरन।
Hotel Simran.
ये पंजाबी भाषा है ना, कौन सा भाषा है ना?
This is Punjabi language.
भाषा क्या है?
But the main
स्मरण।
word means smaran, to remember actually.
विष्णु विस्मृतो न जातु कहीं। कभी उसको जो है भूलना नहीं चाहिए।
Never forget this. Always you remember to God.
सबके दाता राम, क्या बोले?
Ram is the
कौन है?
protector and giver, maintainer of everyone. Krishna.
भगवान देते हैं तो हम भोजन करते हैं।
When God gives, then we eat, right?
आप आपके भोजन कहाँ पर है? पता है?
Today, where will you eat?
नहीं। जहाँ पर
You
दाना
don't
है,
know.
ठीक वहीं पर
Wherever
भोजन
it's written, you will eat there.
है। एक बात बता दूं, सुनो।
Just I tell you, listen.
एक व्यक्ति जो है
One person
ससुराल में जा रही थी।
was going to his in-laws' place.
है? उनके जो है सास जो बुलाया, देखो दामाद जी हमारे घर में
They say,
आओ और भोजन
son-in-law,
करना।
come and eat in our house.
तो सास जो है अनेक प्रकार के पकवान आदि बनाया, लड्डू कचौड़ी मिठाई है, अनेक
The
प्रकार के
mother-in-law
8-10
cooked many
प्रकार के
dishes.
बनाए। कितने प्रकार?
20,
8-10 नहीं?
10 types, 20 types of food. In Bengal, if you see, they cook like 30 to 35 dishes, even 40 dishes they prepare. You can ask Sham Prabhu here.
बंगाल में जाओगे
In
ना,
Bengal, if you go,
हम लोग के जो ये जाते हैं, क्या बोले? चावल भिक्षा में जाते हैं।
when we go to collect rice, Bengal Prachar,
हैं?
they prepare 40
अनेक
dishes,
प्रकार की सब्जी बना दी।
40
तो
vegetables,
उसी प्रकार जो
5
है,
sweets, many things they prepare.
वो सास बोले, ये
So
दामाद
the
जी,
mother-in-law
हमारे
told,
घर में
"Oh,
आओ,
son-in-law,
आओ,
you
भोजन
come
करो।"
and
हैं?
eat in our house."
अच्छा, इतना करते हैं। सुना ठीक से।
Listen
तो
carefully.
जा रहे थे, हैं? अपने ससुराल में जा रहे, हैं? भोजन करने के लिए, हैं? उस समय कोई बड़ा उत्सव भी था।
It was a big festival that time also he was going.
तो देखा,
So he saw
रास्ते में जो है
in
त्योहार रास्ता था,
it was like a
क्रॉसरोड था।
crossroad.
वहाँ पर एक बूढ़ी जो है, एक
And
बुढ़िया जो है,
An old lady, 80 to 90-year-old lady,
एक
she was
छोटा सा
holding a pot
उसमें बालू भर रही
and she was putting sand inside it, and then she was throwing down the sand.
भर रहे,
She was filling it with sand and then throwing it down again and again and again. The person said, "What are you doing?
बार-बार बालू
Again and again, why are you doing this?
क्यों करा रहे हो?
Why are you doing
बोले,
this?"
वो बुढ़िया बोली, देखो
He said, "Look,
इस रास्ता से जो जाते हैं ना,
whoever goes from
मैं
here,
उसके भाग को देखता रहता हूँ।
I can see their fortune. I calculate."
हैं? इस बार क्या नापते रहते हो?
"What do you calculate?"
बोले,
He asked.
देखो, जो
So look,
जाते हैं,
whoever going,
हैं, मैं उनको बताता हूँ कि
I
तुम्हारे
predict
हाथ
their
में है
future,
कि नहीं।
that whether they will eat or not.
क्या बोलो?
भोजन है कि नहीं?
हाँ, क्या है?
भोजन है कि नहीं?
वाह, ये बच्चा बोल गया। बोलो,
This
क्या
is
बोला?
child very nice.
नहीं है। हाँ? तब वो उसके लिए हो गया। बोले मेरा तो
Then
सास ने मुझे बुला दिया, फोन कर दिया और बोले जल्दी आ जाओ, मैं तुम्हारे लिए कितने प्रकार के 30-40 भाई दामाद है ना।
so mother-in-law told, "I will cook many dishes for you."
लड्डू बनाया, कचौड़ी बनाया, मिठाई बनाया, मोहन भोग बनाया, है? और अनेक प्रकार के जो है मिष्ठान बनाया।
Many kinds of sweets also she prepared.
पूरी लड्डू कचौड़ी सब।
Puri laddu kachori
तो
everything.
बुढ़िया के बोला अच्छा बताओ,
He said, "Okay, tell.
ये आज मेरा
Today
भाग में भोजन है कि नहीं है?
food is in my fortune or not?" She said, "Okay, sit down."
वो बुढ़िया घड़े में क्या करने लगे?
The old lady started to put the sand in the mud pot. This child is listening everything. Wow.
जैसे पीछे वो नहीं सुन रहे हैं, वो बोल नहीं पाएंगे।
Sitting at the back, they will not listening.
है कि नहीं है?
True or
जो
not?
सुन रहे हैं वो बोल
Those who are
पाएंगे।
hearing,
जो
they
नहीं
can speak.
सुन रहे हैं, नहीं बोलते। हाँ, क्या बोले? बोलो।
वो नहीं बोल पाएंगे।
देखो कैसे सुंदर बात है।
See, very nice, beautiful child. This is my child.
हाँ? हाँ, बोल रहा है। जो पीछे लोग बात कर रहे हैं ना,
People are talking in the back. I see. I know everyone.
क्या हमारे
I know what they are doing. They are talking in the back. I know. They're not listening to me.
अच्छा सुनो,
Okay, you
तो
listen.
बोले अच्छा, वो बोले अच्छा बताओ, मैं तो अपने सास के घर में ससुराल में जा रहा हूँ,
I'm going in
आज
in-laws
मेरा
place
घर में भोजन है कि नहीं है?
to read my fortune. I will eat or not.
उस घर में पानी वो क्या बोले पानी भर
He started to put sand and then throwing out sand again and again doing this.
करके बोले आज तुम्हारे भाग में
Today
भोजन
you will not
नहीं
eat,
है
she said, and
बोला तो नहीं
he started to laugh.
बोले कैसे अच्छा जाओ जाओ
Okay, you check.
अपने ससुराल में जाओ
Go to her in-laws' place.
गए
He went. Then he went there.
सास बहुत प्रसन्न
The mother-in-law became very happy. She called him, right?
और उनके लिए अनेक प्रकार जो है व्यंजन
And she
मिठाई
prepared
आदि
many,
है,
many kinds of
बड़ा
delicacies.
एक चौकी दे दिया बैठने
A
के लिए।
huge plate, like a huge plate she prepared for him.
और बड़ा एक चौकी में समस्त प्रकार के मिठाइयाँ पकवान आदि लड्डू कचौरी आदि
She put many, many things there. Even juice also is here. What is this?
ये देख क्या लिखा है
This is like lemonade.
जीरा जल लिखा है उधर।
Jeera lemonade, cumin lemonade,
और क्या है? लाल लाल
and
क्या है?
beautiful. This is orange soda.
चंपा बोलते
Kempa.
हैं। देखो आप लोग के भाग में है कि नहीं है?
See, this is in your fortune or not?
आप बताओ
You tell me. You will take this or not?
मिलेगा?
If it's there, then you will get. If it's not, it will be finished and you won't get. You won't get. If it's not written.
बात सही है कि नहीं?
True or not?
अच्छा सुनो अच्छी बात।
Okay, listen carefully.
और चौकी लेकर के आए ना।
Prabhuji brought Campa.
ये भी कैंपा ये तो दूसरी है ये भी लाल
Different flavor sodas.
अलग अलग कलर है अच्छा बहुत अच्छा
Very nice, beautiful.
तो दामाद ने उनके सास से चौकी पर
The
अनेक
mother-in-law prepared many dishes.
पहले ठाकुर जी की भोग तो लगाया नहीं
You did not offer to Thakurji first, eh?
ये भोग लगाया कि नहीं लगाया
You offer or not?
भोग लगा तब तो
Okay, offer it. Then you give to everyone. Okay, take this. Offer. Offer to Thakurji.
तो कुछ करना है कम से कम
Whatever you eat, first you must be offered to God.
ये सब शिक्षा होनी चाहिए
These teachings should be.
हरि बोल करोगे
Or then you can all properly chant holy names.
हाँ बच्चे क्यों कर रहे हैं?
Okay, put the child that side. Maybe child is hungry.
आज देखो
Okay, anyways,
खाने के लिए बैठे हैं? वो
so he sat down to eat.
ऐसे करके खाने के लिए जा रहे
He was
थे,
about to eat like
तो
this.
थोड़ा- थोड़ा
Then
भूल
he
गया।
remembered the old lady's
भैया
thing.
कहती तो आज मेरे
The
हाथ
old
में
lady told, "Today I will not eat."
है?
And then
तो हाथ से बोली कैसे
he
भैया
said,
झूठ बोल बोल
"Oh, the old lady, she lied." And then he was about to eat. He started to laugh on that old lady.
हंसने लगी।
He started to laugh.
आज इतने समय
And in the
सास-
meantime,
सास
the
जो है,
mother-in-law was there in front of him. He felt like, "Oh, son-in-law, why are you laughing?
हैं? क्या इसमें क्या कमी है कोई?
Is there any
इसमें नमक
problem?
कम हो गया?
Is there salt
नमक-
less
नमक ज़्यादा हो गया?
or salt
हैं?
more?
और जो मैंने भोजन बनाया,
What I prepared to you, 50 types of
20
dishes I prepare for you.
भोजन बनाया, हैं? क्या आपके पसंद नहीं है?
Don't you like this? Why are you laughing?"
हैं? तो कहना नहीं ऐसी
Then, no,
कोई
no,
बात-
no, it's not
ऐसी
like
कोई
this.
बात नहीं है।
Then how possible?
दो चार बात होते
Then the conversation developed and
खाना
then
खाए नहीं।
he did not even
ऐसे ही
eat.
खा रहे थे।
He was just picking up.
सास ने ऐसे सब-
Mother-in-law became angry.
हैं? दो चार बात होने लगी कथा
They
हुई।
started to talk
एक
like
आपने
this.
बोला, एक ने बोला बोलते बोलते कथा क्या हो जाता है
They're talking, and then it gets exaggerated.
खाया ही नहीं।
He did not eat, he put it
और
down.
ऐसे सास ने ऐसे
And the mother-in-law, she started to talk rude,
हो गया क्या
and he become
बोलो क्या हो गया
angry also.
गुस्सा आ जाती है।
You become angry or not?
क्या उसमें गुस्सा होता है?
You become angry? Very nice boy.
तो उन्होंने कहा "जा, तुम्हारे घर में
I will not eat in your house. That he picked up the plate and he threw it down like this. And then he walked away.
फिर चलते चलते फिर वो बुढ़िया जो है वहीं पर के बैठी हुई है। अरे अपने ससुराल में गए थे ना हाँ जी
You went to your in-laws' house. The old lady on the street asked, "Did you eat?" He said, "No, I did not eat." Like in your fortune, it was not today. It was not written that you will
देखो,
eat
हमारे
today.
चैतन्य महाप्रभु की साइन का
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself, he says,
कोटि भक्त जब बजे
even if you have millions of groceries in your house, without the desire of Krishna, you cannot even consume one grain.
अनेक प्रकार के भोजन सामग्री
Many kinds of food you have in your house, but if God is not desiring, you cannot eat anything.
लक्ष्य द्रव्य जी था रहे बीच में सब कुछ भरा हुआ
In
है
your fridge is full of many things. What is in your fridge? What is in your fridge? Tell me.
आम रखा है ऐसे,
Mango,
फल रखा है कोल्ड ड्रिंक रखा
cold
है
drink,
और क्या क्या रखा?
What else is there?
सब्जी रखा और हैं? मिठाई भी रखा है,
Sweets also.
अनेक प्रकार के मिठाई,
Many kind of sweets.
आपके फ्रिज में हो तो बने।
Just you imagine whether it's there or not. Just imagine.
देखो,
But look,
हैं? आप भोजन कर नहीं पाओगे,
you
क्यों?
cannot eat because
आपके डायबिटीज है वो,
if
क्या
you have
हो?
diabetes,
डायबिटीज से मिठाई खाओगे,
I believe it's sweet.
डॉक्टर कहेंगे भाई
Doctor will tell,
मिठाई नहीं खाओ,
don't eat sweet.
खाने की तो इच्छा है, हैं?
You want to eat, but you do not eat
ब्रज
it.
से आ रहे हो ना, उसमें ब्रज में सबसे बढ़िया मिठाई क्या है?
I'm coming from Braj.
अरे बोलो आज घेवर,
Ghevar sweet is there.
घेवर मिठाई है कि नहीं?
So Ghevar sweet is there. I distributed many Ghevar. I was giving. My hand got
हाथ
tired.
में दर्द हो गया।
My hand become painful.
केवल बढ़िया होता है।
हाँ, बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा था।
Devotees are saying Ghevar is very delicious.
घी से और चकाचक
They make very nice and beautiful ghee also.
हाँ? और मीठा भी खाते हैं।
She is saying that she eats a lot of sweet.
सुनने में आता है।
No, I did not eat. I just heard. Okay, anyway, Gurudev is saying those who have diabetes,
अमीर को सब रखा है, किंतु डॉक्टर ने कहा दिया
you cannot eat. Doctor told you cannot eat sweet.
क्या होगा?
Then what happened? No need to eat sweet. Very nice boy. What will you
और
do
घर
then?
के परिवार लोग सब खाए।
And all other family members are eating. What will you do? You will just see. Look at them.
हैं? यही तो है संसार।
This is sansar.
भगवान की इच्छा बिना एक पत्ता भी
Without desire of God, not even one.
मिलता है। इसलिए
For this regard,
भजन करो। बोलो, बोलो,
chant
बोलो,
holy names.
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे हरे। इसलिए भगवान के सब भजन।
So everybody chant holy names, do bhajan,
भगवत धाम में चलो।
and come to the abode of God. Come back to home, back to Godhead. Everybody chant holy names. You chant or not? Who chant holy names? Pick up your hand.
कितने लोग हरि नाम लिया?
Those who took Hari Nam, pick up your
हरि
hand.
नाम लिया, हाथ उठाओ।
Pick up your hand if you received Hari Nam. You have Japamala or not?
शब्द है। हाँ, बोलो।
Everybody has.
नाम करना,
Good or not?
पड़ोस में सब
And ask your neighbors also. Oh dear brother, every sister, everybody chant holy names.
बोलो हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। वृंदावन बिहारी